Hi there, Robin here, and today we've got the Johnsonville Sizzler, which is the automated, and this is truly automated, sausage cooker. This will cook the regular size sausages, the breakfast sausages that we always see, plus you've got the link style sausages. You're going to get 2 actual plates for that, top and bottom, and you get for the flat patty. So all you do is pull the levers here, that releases this guy and it comes right off. There's one that goes on the bottom and one that goes on the top. There's a little catch tray in the front to get all the grease. So I'm going to quickly load this up, hit the button. It's all automatic. It's made for the Johnsonville sausages, so everything is preset. This entire package, by the way, will fit inside this machine. So very important, you just basically load the machine. There is a sequence of numbers on it. On the plate, it tells you 1 all the way up to 14, I think it is, which is the whole machine. And it'll do all that, so this way it'll maximize. Now, you might find, like I did, where they tell you to start on the outside if you're only cooking like 2 or 4 of them. I usually start 1 in, so I'll start from the first one in and evenly work your way back and forth. But in this case, we are loading the machine right up. And the machine has an automatic sensor inside of it, which will decide exactly how long it needs to cook these guys, giving us a perfectly cooked sausage. Now, that's the best part. All you need is electricity to make this work, of course. And I say that because, you know, if you're going to bring this camping with you, hopefully you have something that has a 110 plug on it and you can bring this along with you, because your life will be just that much better. So now all we do is close the lid now, make sure it latches, then press the button after plugging it in. And there we go. Now we just let it do its magic. It will cook everything all by itself. And here we are right back. So it did take just shy of 8 minutes. So it's like 7.5 minutes. And the actual timer here is telling me that it's 8 minutes. There we go. So the light goes off, the unit beeps, it's all set and ready. All you need to do is pull the flange. I'm going to stand aside because I'm going to lift the lid here for you. And there we go. Sausages are all cooked, ready to go. It's magic. Don't leave the lid down for too much longer after the actual unit has beeped for you, because you don't want to overcook them or get them too crispy just for sitting in the heat. Remember, the actual plates, the heating elements have turned off, but they are still hot. All that extra fat that was in the actual sausages have run into the actual little tray that you can remove and wash out from the front. Very easy, very convenient, very fun to use, because it's just so simple. 8 minutes after you get the unit started, voila, you have all your sausages perfectly cooked. There's no guessing if it is or isn't. You can certainly put a thermometer in there and check, but they will be perfect. You can modify your sausages to work in a Johnsonville machine, but that's up to you. For now, we're going to say everything's all good. 3 different types of sausages, all from Johnsonville. They're all sold in the actual matching packs. So the flats are sold in 8 packs, and the links are sold in 5 packs. The regular breakfast sausages are sold in 14 packs, fitting the machine perfectly. And there you go. Well, I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching, and bye for now.